the spring is gone. I bought this from Home Depot. Instead of buying the entire latch, I bought the spring instead. So let's take the smaller one. Now, there is no space, but we use this plier, nose plier. There. Oh wow. It's hard. There. I'm just gonna close with the plier. There. And this one. I open it. And there you go. I have to close it. It's hard to close it from this angle, so we're just gonna, maybe this is good. I just want to make sure it doesn't. So I'm gonna still close it. Okay. Okay. There. I saved myself a few dollars because this is still good. A closer look. There. Because the spring is new, it sounds when I stitch it.